Class, our new topic is fraction. So, before I start fraction, just aware about this, you all know about numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, you can write your numbers in the form of a upon b. This is the form of fraction. This is the meaning of fraction. If you write your numbers in the form of a upon b, and what is a? A is a number and b is also a number. They both indicate these numbers. So this a, the upper number, is called numerator and the lower number is called denominator. Now some conditions are there. Conditions are, if your numerator is lesser than denominator, then we can say this fraction is, this is a fraction, you all know, numerator upon denominator. So this fraction is called proper fraction. What we call this? Proper fraction. If class, your numerator is more than your denominator, then we can say this is improper fraction. This is improper fraction. Class, one new topic is equivalent fraction. So you all know the equal fraction. Equal means when your left hand side equal to right hand side. When your left hand side and right hand sides have a same number, then we can say it is equal. But when we are talking about equivalent, at that time, class, if I am talking about fraction, suppose this is your fraction 2 upon 3. So in 2 upon 3, if you multiply this by any digit, suppose if I am talking about 4. So if I multiply this fraction by 4 upon 4, then you can get the result 2 into 4 upon 3 into 4. Understand class, the multiplication of fraction is always should be like this: numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. So your answer is 8 upon 12. So the equivalent fraction of 2 upon 3 is 8 upon 12. But now question is, why I multiply this by 4 upon 4? Class, I can multiply this by 3 upon 3 also. 2 3 ja and 3 3 ja. 2 3 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9. This is also an equivalent fraction of 2 upon 3. So class, why I multiply this 2 upon 3 by 4 upon 4 or 3 upon 3? Because 4 upon 4 means 4 divided by 4, the meaning is 1. 3 upon 3 means class 3 divided by 3. So 4 upon 4 means 1, 3 upon 3 means 1. So what is the meaning of that? 2 upon 3 multiply by 4 upon 4, meaning is multiply by 1. The meaning is 2 upon 3. Same meaning, 3 upon 3 means you can put in the place of 3 upon 3 1. In the place of 4 upon 4 you can put 1. So your answer is 2 upon 3 in both the condition. But class, because of this 4 upon 4 and 3 upon 3, you can get a new type of fraction, 8 upon 12 and 6 upon 9. So these two are your equivalent fraction. Why equivalent fraction class? Because if you simplify these two, then you can get again this 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9. What is the meaning of that class? If you simplify your equivalent fraction, then you can get same fraction 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3. It means, what is the meaning of equivalent fraction now? the simplest form of all fractions should be same. This is your equivalent. This is your equivalent fraction class. The simplest form of all the fractions should be same. You can see 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3. Now class, next topic is like fraction. What is the like fraction? 2 upon 3, 1 upon 3. So class, what is the meaning of like fraction? If your denominators are same, then this is called like fraction. One more example, 1 upon 7, 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 5 upon 7. You can see your denominators are same. So when your denominators are same, then we can say this is your like fraction. But if your denominators are different, like 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 3, then this is called unlike fraction. 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 6. So in this time your denominators are different, so we can say it's unlike fraction.